We are learning a new letter this week. The letter is X. Very good. So this is the letter X, and when you write an upper and lowercase x, you make them the same way, just one's bigger, one's smaller, and they're straight lines. And let's also talk about the sound that X makes. What sound does X make? Very good. So if you see, we have a picture of an X-ray. So someone took an X-ray. So the way you take an X-ray is with a camera. So the camera is able to kind of see through your skin and look at your bones. So it's just a big camera. And what do cameras do, right? They take a picture and they go x, 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 x. So that's our letter X sound, is you pretend that you're taking a picture or an X-ray and you say x, x. All right, so that's our sound. So today we're just going to talk about how we write the letter X. So you start at the top and you slant down like you do with our V and our W. But here's the tricky part. You then go back to the top on the other side over here. So where your line stopped at the bottom, you go straight up, and that's where you're going to start back, and you're going to cross back over. So you want the lines to meet at the dotted line. So you don't want it to look like this or like this. All right, those aren't good. We don't want that. We want this. We don't want those. We want them to meet at the dotted line. So it takes practice, and just, keep practicing. That's all that matters. So you're going to start at the top. You're going to slant down, go back to the top, slant back the other way. And that is our uppercase X. Lowercase x is the same exact thing, but from the dotted line down. So I start at the dotted line, and I slant down, and then I go back to the dotted line and slant the other way. So you want the intersection part to be kind of halfway through the middle. I know there's not a dotted line there, but you kind of just have to use your imagination like there was. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and do our highlight a letter worksheet. And we're going to color in where we see the X's. Okay. Is this an X? No. Is this X? Yes. Is this X? No. 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 Yes. X. Is this an X? Yes. Kind of like a treasure chest where X marks the spot. That's where that saying comes from, because it's the letter X. Is this an X? Yes. Is this an X? Yes. Is this an X? No. Yes. X. No. Yes. No. No. Yes. Very good. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and practice tracing uppercase X's. So we start at the top, slant down, go back to the top, slant the other way, X. Slant down, go the other way, X. Slant down, X. Notice that they're straight lines, they're not curved. So now I gotta try it on my own. Slant down, I pick my marker up or your pencil, and I go back to the top and slant the other way. You want the lines to be the same length, so wherever you start is also where you start with the other one. Okay, let's do lowercase x. Same thing, just a little bit smaller lines. Slant down, back. Straight lines, same length, just like that. And then on your own, slant down, come back up, slant down, come back up, slant back. All right, great job. Take pictures of those worksheets. I want to see them.